I've got my flat of microgreens from the Caring Corral, and since we've been getting a lot of questions on how to harvest them, how to store them, I thought we could go through that today instead of a recipe. So you can see that my flat has been harvested partially. These are pea shoots, and this is just about how long I would let them go. But for the pea shoots, I gather a little clump, and with my scissors, about halfway down, cut it off. And so this is going to go on my screened-in porch. We're gonna water it every day, and I'm gonna get another harvest. When you want to chop the microgreens, that is when I give them a nice gentle rinse and let them dry a little bit. Quick, easy. These pea shoot stems are very tasty, so don't discard the stems, use them. Microgreens from Caring Corral. Order your flat today. You will love the additional flavor and nutrition that it gives to your dishes, and you can be very happy that you are supporting this amazingly great cause.